What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another 100% honest slime shop review. This time it is famous slime shop versus underrated slime shop. So we have Illuminati Slime and 3D Slime Machine. Alrighty, so first up is Illuminati Slime. You all have been requesting me to review Karina's slime for so long, so I'm so glad that I get to do it. I've actually felt her slime before, but I don't think I've ever done like a full-on review. So I bought 3 slimes from a restock. I believe it was like an overstock sale that she was having from an event that she attended. There was like slime that she didn't get to sell from. So I snatched 3 slimes and she gave me 2 extra slimes, which was awesome. She also gave me this little bag here with, you know, business card, slime care sheet, some activator, which was in a really cool package. I thought it was packaged perfectly, totally on brand for her, and I just love everything about her packaging. It's just super cool. And then also some candy in there as well. She also included some treats for Holden, which, spoiler alert, Holden loved. He eats everything. So thank you so much, Christina, if you're watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, stop talking so you can see everything that came. Okay, to be honest, when I first saw the treats in there, I thought it was like human food because it looked really good, and cranberry is like one of my favorite fruits. So I was really excited, and then I looked at the tag and it said Blue Buffalo. I was like, oh yeah, that's for Holden. Sad day. Guess what, Holden? Your friend Christina gave you a treat. She gave you a bunch of treats. You wanna try it? Oh, good boy. Alright, moving on to this live. This first one here is called Naughty Ganache. I believe Naughty is like short for Illuminati. I'm not too sure. Or maybe Naughty's a fruit. I don't know. I'm very uncultured. But this slime, it was really nice. It was such a great texture. Very pillowy soft. And the scent was amazing. It came topped off with these little yellow clay chunks. And it was just really nice. I love this slime so much. One of my favorite colors. One of my favorite textures as well. I believe it was like a cloud cream. Or maybe even a buttercream. I'm not too sure. But it was really nice and soft. And the scent of this one was really nice. It smelled like some type of baked good, and it was very vanilla-y, and it just smelled really nice, and I liked it. The next slime that I got, this one is called Sesame Crispy, and it is a white glue slush, and it was really nice. I love the scent of this. I wasn't too sure what it would smell like because I don't know what sesame smells like, or like a sesame seed, but it was like a very like toasty kind of sweet scent, so I'm not mad at it. Obviously it smells really good, and the texture was amazing. There was no bead fallout. It was the perfect white glue slush. This next slime here that I got is called Sprinkles Bar, and this one is a white glue foam. It was really nice and crunchy. It, to me, smelled kind of like Fruit Loops or some other type of cereal. It was very sweet smelling, but not like overpoweringly sweet or strong or anything like that. I really liked it. It had great bubble pops. I love the way that the texture felt from the base slime as well. It didn't feel like a normal slime to me, like a normal slime base. I feel like it might have had some type of clay in it just because it was really squishy and nice, and I just really liked it. It was activated perfectly as well, and it arrived perfectly, so that was great. These next two slimes were actually sent to me for free, and they're kind of like a gift, so I didn't want to actually review them because that's kind of rude, but I wanted to show you them anyways. They're really, really nice, and this one's a jelly slime. It was super soft. I know I'm not supposed to review them, but it was really soft and nice and super thick, jelly-like. Really good. 10s across the board, for sure. Another thing, these slimes didn't have any names, so I'm sorry if I don't like tell you what the name is for the slime. I really don't know what they're called. This one is super beautiful though. It has like a pink pigment shift to it, but it's orange. It kind of reminded me of like an iridescent peach. It was really, really nice. It had a really nice scent to it as well. Super, super clear, and I just really loved it. There I go reviewing it, but y'all, it's good. It's not like, I'm not saying anything bad, you know? Alrighty, next up we have the Shop 3D Slime Machine. This one was actually sent to my P.O. box, and I have no idea how long this was sitting, so just an FYI, they sent me these slimes for review. So there are 4 6-ounce slimes, and then these little extras here, which included some borax, a squishy, and some candy as well. There was actually 2 squishes, actually. One of the regular squishes, and then a silicone squishy, which I love. Super cool, so Yeah. By the way, if you send me slime or any type of gifts or anything like that to my P.O. box, I am going to get to it soon. I promise. I'm going to do a huge video on that. I am just waiting on, you know, when I have the time to do that. So if you want to send me some stuff, you can definitely send it to my P.O. box and it will be in that video if I haven't like reviewed your slime or done anything with it yet. So the first slime from 3D Slime Machine, this one is called LaBrea Slime Pit, and it looks super cool. This is the one that came with those 2 dinosaur toys, and I thought this one just looked amazing. When I opened it, there was like dinosaur fossils in there, and it was metallic-like. It just looked really nice, and it was a little bit underactivated, but like I said, it was in my P.O. box for who knows how long, so I'm not like taking any points away for that. But it was just a really nice slime. The scent was even amazing as well. It was smelled, oh my god, it was scented like grapes, and just an overall really nice, you know, pigmented slime. This next slime is called Slime Machine, and it was super beautiful. I love all the colors that is going on. I believe this is their official slime. I'm just assuming. I don't really know, but I love the texture of this slime. I believe it was a jelly base, and it had some, you know, crushed up foam beads, and also those little rings, foam rings in there as well. So I thought it was super cool, reflected of their logo, and just a really nice texture overall. Once I activated it, it was perfect, and it just had a really nice crunch, but also squish to it because of the jelly texture, and it was just really good. This next slime is called Blood of the Dragons. It's hard to read on there, but that's the name of the slime. It was really nice and beautiful. I love the color of this slime. It was a really deep blood red color. I did have to activate it a little bit, and I decided to leave that in just because I thought it was kind of satisfying. And there was some gold leaf at the top, and there are fishbowl beads in there as well. This slime is just so beautiful, and I loved it a lot. I believe this slime has something to do with Game of Thrones. The font on the label kind of reminded me of that show. I don't watch it, so I have no idea. Comment down below if you think it is, and if you think I should watch it. I know there's like 91.5 seasons so far, and I don't know if I'm committed yet, so I'm not too sure if I want to even do that. And the last slime from 3D Slime Machine is called Cilantro Slime Rice. Get it? Like cilantro lime rice. I thought that was a cute play on words. And of course, anything that has to do with Chipotle, I love automatically. But it helped that this one had a really nice texture. I'm sorry about that. This was a white glue slushy slime, and it was just really nice. It was scented very freshly. I'm not too sure if it was like cilantro scented or whatever, but it was very fresh, and I liked it. There was also some little leaves in there to represent little cilantro pieces, and it was just really good. This one as well needed a little bit of activator, but it was perfect after I activated it, and there was no bead fallout, so A1 in my book. Alrighty y'all, that was pretty much it for this review video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know if you want to see more 100% honest slime reviews, and let me know if there are other slime shops that you want me to review that I haven't yet, and I will definitely try to get to them. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!